it's Caitlin, and I know I have said I'd be making videos every Monday and Wednesday, but in the summer I just can't do that because I'm super busy in the summer, so yeah, they'll be posted on random days. But I just wanted to let you guys know that unless it's like a bigger toy that I'm going to review, in here are going to be blind bags, little surprises, little toys, different kinds of candies, and every time that I make a video, I'm going to choose out of here, unless it's a bigger set. Wink, wink. I don't know how to wink, you guys, if you can tell by that. So there will be like blind bags, little random surprises, but I'm going to wait till this is full, and there'll be candy and little toys, so I'm super excited for that. But today, in this video, we're going to be opening something that I've been looking at the store for a really long time. My mom surprised it with me. I'm super thankful for all the things that she gives me, because I do want to let you guys know, most of the things that I review, my mom actually does get for me. Some of them I buy with my own money, but yeah. So today we're going to be taking a look at this super awesome food for glitzy ice cream Shopkins truck. And it comes with 4 exclusive glitzy Shopkins. Is this like ice cream dream and Yoshi? Is that Twinkie Wing? I don't know this water bottle thing. I totally forgot. Because these are ones from like seasons that I haven't really collected. So yeah, this packaging is super cute, you guys. Wait, does it say my name on the back? No. This will go perfect for all my food fresh Shopkins. You guys can find this at Walmart probably, or maybe Target, I don't know. It's super cute. It looks like it actually does roll. It has this little sign. And then on the back it says, "Want the scoop on how to beat the heat with cool things to eat? The Scoops ice cream truck has arrived in Shopville, and it's time to chill. Relax in the shade with some cool friends who are sure to melt your heart. This treat truck is icy, creamy, and totally dreamy, because once you shop, you can't stop." And it says a perfect chill spot, and this comes with a lot of cool things and cool features, so let's just get it opened. Oh, and it comes with 2 cooler, what is it called? 2 cooler bags right over here. So every place that, like this, I guess, comes with 2 bags, because I actually have to make a makeup spot. I can't remember if I showed it to you guys or not. I made the video, but then it got deleted. I might have made it again, though. I'm not exactly sure. And I have the Shoe Dazzle playset and the Shopkins collector case, so I'm going to make a little Shopkins town. Super excited for that. I'm reading my room. So yeah, and I know you guys are still waiting on a room tour. If you've seen that announcement video, I'm pretty sure it said I was going to do a room tour. But we'll be coming soon. I promise you guys. I'll just get it open. I have my handy dandy scissors. Oh, did I show you guys the cute artwork on the back? Yeah, I did. Okay. I'm going crazy. Let's cut this little baby open. Like that. Like that. Let's see, how do we get this thing open? Has some tape up here. Whoop. Almost fall down. Whoa. Okay. Got that. And that. There's so much tape, you guys. They really don't want you to play with this. Sorry, guys. That was weird noise. There's probably a much easier way to open it, but I do not know that way. Okay. Oh, come on. There's more things on the bottom. Okay, so you have to take this out, and it's like this. And it comes with a super cute little background as well. I'm just going to cut these because it takes forever to untie them. Maybe my scissors may not be strong enough. Okay. Okay, now we got it. Okay, cut the back. Okay, never mind. This is taking forever. Okay, you guys, I'm almost done. Just like this. Okay, let's pop her out. Look, it's still not out. Ah! Come out. Sorry if this video is a little long, guys, or a lot long. It's kind of hard to get open. Okay, let's pop this little thing out. Super cute, but we do not need it. This little thing. Okay, so here's the ice cream chocolate. So it's super duper glittery, you guys. And like I said, it does. Well, I don't know if I said this. It rolls pretty good, and it has this cute little thing which you can remove like so. Just gotta pull it out. There we go. And it has a little driver's wheel, and it does spin, but it doesn't spin easily. It has two little chairs, and it has some little detail over there. It has this thing, which has a heart inside. And here's what the wheels look like. They're not glittery, but the rest of the truck is. On the back, it has this little stand thing for ice cream. And so as you can see, this has a bunch of cute little designs, little ice creams that you can get, but you can actually put it on the top and secure it. Here's what the back looks like of it. It's glittery as well. Oh, and it has little mirrors, but it doesn't actually like have them. It's just little pen things. And if you open this back up, you guys can see that there's some little designs in here. I think you can stick a Shopkin in there. Little like sink or something. This little thing. And then over here, this is actually, where can I get it? Okay, a little storage place to store your Shopkins, and it just has some little snowflakes on it. Then let's pop out these guys. Put this down here for a minute. So it comes with a little glitzy water bottle. Super duper cute. Then this little ice cream. Super, super yummy looking. And it actually comes with a little ice cream bowl, you guys. You can stick it in here. Ooh, delicious. Okay. Then it still comes with more. So, this doesn't actually fold, but it's a little stand that has some popsicles on it. And the Shopkins S, and then the back is just like that. Super duper cute, and this can stand on its own. Things falling. We're good. It just rolled off. Oh, this is, like I said, it rolls really well, you guys. Maybe a little too well. Come on. Okay, so it comes with these cute little bags. And they're baby pink and light pink. And it looks like it does open up. Don't roll off again, ice cream truck. So the other one, I'm pretty sure this is Twinkie Wink. I'm not sure though. Just pretty sure. Whoa, you guys can feel the glitter. Well, you can't feel the glitter. You guys can actually feel it. Little Yoshi. And then the last accessory that this one comes with. Oh, here's the background, you guys. It is a mess. It's this cute little thing. So it has a little pink umbrella and this cute little bottom and two little ice cream cones that you can take out. And also it comes with another one of these ice cream bowls, which you can stick in here. You can change them out. I'm going to move this over for you guys. And this actually spins just this. You don't have to spin the whole thing. So let's put a cute little Yoshi, little Twinkie Winks, if that is its name, and this little ice cream dude. And you accidentally knocked it over. Can actually spin this little thing. See, it's so cute. Oh, okay, so this set is super duper cool. And actually, there is two more things that we're going to open with this, but I forgot them downstairs, so let me go get them. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I got them. So in my last video, if you didn't see, I was looking for the Shopkins Series 1 collector cards because I haven't finished that collection. And I finally found them at Barnes & Noble. So yay, that's good. They didn't have many left, but I got 2 packs. So we're just going to be opening them up, and I'm trying to collect all of these. I have quite a few of them. But let's just see who we get. I haven't opened these for a while. Well, actually I have in my last video. Cute little bubbles. I'm not sure if I have this one. So cute. Oh, that's card 31. Card 46, Rainbow Bite. I know I have this one. Freezy Peasy, card 62. I'm not sure if I actually have this one. Nappy D, number 79. I do not have this one. At least I don't think. Chloe or Cauliflower, number 7. I don't know if I have this one. Fifi Fruit Tart, number 26. I don't know if I have it. And Cheeky Chocolate Color Me In, color number 91. I don't think I have this one. So this was a good pack. Okay, let's open up our next one. Jelly Bee, card 34. I think I have this one. Pretzel, number 49. I have this one. Sweeps, number 65. I do not think I have this one. Baby Swipes, number 82. I don't think I have this one. Sally Shakes, number 10. I think I do have this one. Bakery, number 29. I'm not sure about this one. And 92 Cheesy Color Me In, and I'm not sure. But over here, I have the collector album for it. So let's just go ahead and see if any of these are doubles. And this will be quite a long video. So, number 7 is not a double. I actually needed this one. So, little cauliflower. Okay. Sally Shakes, number 10. I do already have this one. So that's my little sister. Okay, number 92, Cheesy Color Me In. I do have this one too. Baby Swipes, number 82. So let's just go ahead and find 82. I do not have this one. Yay! What is that? A page. 53. Okay. Now I'll do this as fast as possible, guys. Number Sweet 65. I do not have this one. And you guys do not have to watch this part. I'm just putting them in my collector case and then I'm going to show you guys. But if we just wanted to see the cards and the thing, then you can just end this video. Number 29. But if you want to see the ones that I do have, you guys can stick around. 29. Not over there. Oh, right here. I don't have this one. Yay! Can't get it. Okay. 79 Nappy D. I do not have this one. I was just in the baby department. I'm getting a lot of baby ones. Pretzel, I already have. Jelly Bee, number 34. I'm pretty sure I already have this one. 34. I don't, you guys. I thought I remembered getting this one. Well, you guys, I just need one last one over here. Super duper cool. Okay, Fleazy Peasy 62. I do not have this one. Yay. Cheeky Chocolate, number 91. I don't believe I have this one. Nope, I don't. Wow, you guys, this is my 5th Color Me In card. Rainbow Bite, I know I have this one. Let me just make sure. Yep. Okay, Fifi Fruit Tart, super duper cool, number 26. I don't believe I have this one. The 526. Nope, I don't have this one, you guys. Okay, then lastly, Bubbles, number 31. You guys, am I going to complete a page? I am! Yay! My first full page. Okay, where does this one go? Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, this page right here, the Sweet Treats, it's full. I think that's the only full page. Yay, super duper cool. So, yeah. You guys kind of look around. You guys can't really see them, but this video is about to be 20 minutes long. Yeah, I have quite a few, like I said. So, yeah, that was all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. This ice cream truck is super duper cool. It was really good. I'm definitely going to be playing with that a lot. And these things that it comes with, oh my gosh, They are so cute, you guys. And we got a lot of new collector cards. We only got 4 doubles out of 14, so super cool. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Make sure to subscribe.